Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making millets aash. Yummy in taste, healthy recipe for weight loss. I'm using fox millets, 1 cup, moong dal 1/4 cup, soak for 1 hour, rinse and soak. In a saucepan, oil 2 tablespoons, whole spices, green chilies 2, chopped onion 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Saute until raw smell gone. Minced chicken 100 grams. Saute for 2 minutes. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder 1/2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Chopped tomatoes 1/4 cup. Mix everything. Now add soaked millets and dal. Mix. Water 4 cups. Cook for 30 minutes on medium heat. Curd optional. Now it's ready to serve. Coriander on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.